Loki, one of our African gray parrots. And before we start the show, I would like to request everybody to please stand up. Everybody stand up, please. And let's pray respectfully.
Sorry, era obvious. Alam mo.
Thank you very much. We're going to take your seat.
Yeah!
Wow.
Good afternoon, everyone. By the way, I am Neha again, and here's my partner, Delphine. You know what, guys? Delphine learned a unique way of reminding everyone. So, guys, you want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, Delphine, let's do it. Okay, come on everybody. Let's give Delphine some encouragement. One, put your hands together. One, Delphine can do it. Three more. Two more. Last one. From the word itself, Delphine wants to remind us to always keep safe. Now guys, do you have any idea what kind of bird Delphine is? Any idea what kind of bird? Well, he's a parrot. And he's a blue and gold macaw. Now guys, when you heard the word parrot, what is the first thing that comes into your mind? What does parrot can do? They can talk, right? They can speak. But do parrots really talk? But to answer the question, I can call another tropical bird. His name is PJ. Okay, we're Trainer Randy. Trainer Randy, take it away.
Okay, thank you so much, Jelly Bean and Trainer Yan, for that friendly reminder to our guests. And by the way, my name is Randy, and here with me is DJ. And you know, guys, DJ here is a white cockatoo, or also known as umbrella cockatoo, originated from Indonesia. Yes, we have a interesting question for everybody. Do parrots really talk like humans? What do you think, guys? Or they can talk like humans? Huh? Yes? Yes? No? Okay, let's right. Okay, let's put it this way. How many say yes? Raise your hand. Okay, we got that. How many say no? Raise your other hand. How many say no? Okay, we got 1, 2, only 2. Okay. How many don't care? Raise your both hand. I'm just kidding anyway. I gotta tell you anyway. You know, guys, parrots, they don't talk like humans. Rather, they copy or mimic the sounds what they hear from their surroundings. And also they use that to communicate with other birds or other animals in the wild. Right, DJ? Am I correct? Yes, am I correct? Right. Okay, DJ, let's try this. Can you say hello to our guest? Can you say hello? Wow, did you hear that? Everybody, can you say hi, DJ? Alright, good job. You know, guys, DJ here is very friendly. And here in the zoo, she makes lots of friends. And she also has special way of calling her friend. DJ, how do you call your friend? Wow, just like that. And meeting a friend, of course, a handshake is always appropriate, right? Of course, okay. DJ, can you do the handshake? Alright, how about the other hand? Alright, great job, DJ. And not only that, DJ here is a very good dancer. Yes, she is. Would you like to see DJ dancing? Yes? Okay, come on, clap your hands together for DJ. Come on, keep on clapping. Alright, good job, DJ one. Great job, DJ. Alright, there it is. Go on. Aha! Okay. applause for DJ. And before I leave the stage, let me hand you over to Trainer Amor. Trainer Amor, take it away.
Thank you very much, DJ. And of course, trainer Randy for let me call Oli. Oli is a Gala Cockatoo, also known as the Rose Breakfast Cockatoo, or the Pink Stella, originated from Australia. Now, how flexible birds can be. In the wild, when they want to escape from their possible... Can you please take your seat? And don't raise your hand. Okay, going back, so they look for a narrow space that the body can fit. And regardless of the wingspan, they can go through it. And there's more from Oli. Oli notes the multiply of the very messages. And here in Emirates Park Zoo, if Oli doesn't want to fly, at least he got a choice. And that is to drive. And Oli also remind everybody, be sure to put your seatbelts on. Don't text or use mobile phones while driving. And that is a friendly reminder from our dog Cockatoo by the name of Oli! Nice one, Oli. But of course, birds don't really drive. That is part of their training to get cognitive of activity and physical activity to keep them mentally and physically healthy. But most of the training that we do here is based on the natural behavior. And speaking of natural behavior, birds build nests, and it depends if the species of what kind of nest they're going to build, of course. So during breeding season, most tropical birds will look for a hollow tree trunk or tree cavity like this. The female will stay inside while she's laying and incubating the egg, and the male will be the one who will look for food to feed the female. And to demonstrate that behavior, let's have Coco and Frida. And because this is a competition and I need to divide you guys into two groups, so from the middle to the end, you guys will cheer for Coco. Again, those who are sitting on the stairs to the end, you will cheer for Coco. And you guys will cheer for Frida. Okay? Again, this side will cheer for Coco. Who are you going to cheer for? Coco. And the other side will cheer for? Frida, alright. Remember, the louder you cheer, the faster these birds will move, so you have to cheer as loud as you can, okay? Are you guys ready? Everyone's ready? Set, and go! Alright, Coco, bad boy time for Frida. Alright, round one goes to Coco. Now, let's have a rematch. Alright. Ready, set, and go! Alright. Okay. That was a lot of time for Frida. So the winner is Coco. Frida, sorry, Frida. The announcer is still sleeping. Okay, now we're gonna have another game. The next game is what we call Bring Your Tribbles, and this is coming from how birds collect or gather materials do you want to build next. Same rule applies. You guys cheer for Coco, and you guys need to cheer. Oh yeah, you guys need to cheer louder for Coco, and you guys cheer for Frida. But this time it's only one round. One time, big time. Are you ready? Yeah! Everybody's ready? Set and go! Okay! Up! Alright! Very good! Okay! Yes! We have a twisted result! Let's give it up for Coco and Frida! Wow! Let's give a nice round of applause to them again. So did you guys enjoy that part? Alright, and bird sound will start. Lady!
No.
Very good, lady. And of course, joining lady, we have Delvin and Volky. Yay! Blue and golden paw is considered as one of the longest living birds because they can live up to 60 years, 60, or even longer than that in captivity. In the wild, they live less because there's predation, illegal hunting, and illegal killing. So this afternoon, we are going to talk about the physical features of these birds, and let's start with their tail. As you can see, they have long slender tail, which they use as a steering, like a steering wheel when they're flying in between trees. So if you want to move from one tree to another, they will move the tail from left to right like that. If you want it to go right, they will move it to the left, and vice versa. It serves as brake, so when they are flying, and if they want to stop or slow down, they will spread out the tail and push it forward. Okay. Next, we got here customized buckets. And these birds need to pull the bucket all the way up to get the special treat inside. And this is to showcase how these birds use their beak and feet as the only tools they have to prepare their meal in the wild. The beak is quite powerful. It can break the shell of even the hardest nut you can think of, for example, the walnut. And it can even break this coconut shell. And let's go back to their beak. The lower mandible has U-shape, which serves as their teeth. And they are pterodactyl bird, meaning they have two toes pointing forward and two pointing backward, which function as a tongue, so they can easily grab and hold things. And these, they have two distinct colors, the blue and
Yellow.
what color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow! That's the name blue and yellow color, blue and golden color. So, Jelly and lady and jelly. Let's show you those. It's beautiful colors. Open up the wing. Alright. And lastly, they have truncated muscles, which they use to clip their wings so that they can lift their bodies in the air. Look at that. Two, push the tail. And let's give it up for lady. Well, they and of course, Volky. And now guys, as we sit here and celebrate this afternoon, it is sad to say many birds and other animals are struggling their lives in the wild. Some of them are endangered or can be nearly extinct. Extinction is forever. When a species of animal is declared or considered extinct, you cannot see the same species ever again. No matter what science do and no matter what people do, you can't bring them back. Endangered means they have hope. We can to save them. Let them reduce by protecting the rainforest. Another problem, pollution. Habitat destruction due to improper waste management. So Emirates Park Zoo would like you guys to remember this story. There is no amount of money nor advanced technology can solve the global waste problem. But if everybody has self-discipline and can do that simple waste management at home, just like my further, we can help and save nature. Do you agree? That is very simple, and that is what we call segregation.